city sleeps, a madman laughs, a plan to rule the world. Who will right this awful plight?
Can it be?
Is it true? Go girl, standing tall against the wrath of the evil underworld. She will fight with all her might.
Can it be?
Is it true? Go girl. When hope is lost and all seems dark and evil has its way, her thunder kick and power punch will surely save the day. Her work is done, she takes her leave with thanks from all the world. Once again the good guys win.
Can it be?
Is it true?